Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle doggy, waffle doggy, waffle doggy. You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog. You are.
At last, it was the day of the school show. Our friends and family had all come to watch. Zoe couldn't make it, but she called to wish us all good luck. Mrs. Hobbs was performing too, and she brought along her new dog, Peppa.
I'd be happy to take care of her, Mrs. Hobbs.
Make way, please. Performers coming through.
Right, everybody. The audience is nearly all seated, and Mr. Nolan is ready to start the show.
Mr. Darrington, can I go to the toilet before the show starts?
Of course you can, Evie, but be as quick as you can, okay?
Okay.
Right now, Waffle, I've got a job for you for the end of the show. Balloons.
Oh, Mr. Brooklyn Bell. It's all Waffle's fault. Oh, honestly.
No, Waffle. Oh, don't release them yet.
Oh, let Waffle near those balloons.
Mr. Nolan, it was me. Waffle, oops. Sorry.
It's your job. I need you to...
Release the balloons.
Excuses, Mr. Brooklyn.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Nolan. Sorry.
Mr. Nolan.
Oh, no, Waffle. No, sorry. Sorry, Mr. Nolan.
I need to start the show.
Yes, of course.
I need to start the show.
Oh, yes.
The curtains, yeah. That's my job.
Thank you. Welcome. Parents, families, friends, pupils, thank you for your quiet. Now, are you, our audience, ready for the Summersby School Show? Yeah! Good. With a dog theme. Yeah! Good.
Dog.
Therefore, let me introduce you to our narrator, Ruby, a Year 1 pupil. She's going to begin by telling us about her dog, Jelly. Come on, Ruby.
At the side, Mr. Nolan.
There you are.
When me and my mum first came to this neighbourhood, we didn't really know anybody. So, Jelly, our dog, helped us meet and make new friends whenever we would take her for walks.
Yeah, walks. Waffle.
We met friends like Waffle. Oh. But Jelly isn't just a pet.
No.
She's one of my family members. And now let me introduce you to 2 Year 5 pupils, and they'll be singing a song called Friends and Family. Waffle, go away.
Stay here with me.
Love you, Waffle.
It's fun to have family and it's fun to have friends. And the fun we have, it never ends. Fun with family and friends. Friends and family. Family and friends. Friends and family.
Well done, boys.
Great.
Yeah, but where's Evie? Yeah, where is Evie?
Oh, she went to the bathroom ages ago. You enjoyed the show, Waffle.
Now, will you please welcome Ruby back to the stage?
But Waffle didn't stay to hear Ruby. He came to find me.
Evie!
Waffle, is that you?
Evie!
Waffle, I'm stuck in the toilet. The door's jammed. We're going to miss our poodle song.
Oh,
Please,
no.
can you get Mum and Mr. Metcalf?
Yeah, okay, Evie. Back soon.
Good luck, Wonderdog.
Mr. Metcalf!
Evie?
Mum.
Waffle says you got stuck. Peppa.
Peppa,
Do
you
my
came
best.
to help.
Can
Can you open it, Mum?
Oh, looks like the lock's a bit stuck, Evie.
Hurry!
Don't worry.
But, Mum, I'm going to miss my song.
No, you won't. I know exactly what to do.
Hi.
Hi. Here. Right, I just need to squeeze under.
Yeah, not a great idea, Mum.
Oh.
You're stuck.
Yeah.
Help!
Hello.
We're stuck in the loop.
Help. We're in the toilet. Oh.
Here I am.
Waffle, Mr. Metcalf. Waffle.
There we are.
Hooray, Mr.
Thank you, Mr.
Metcalf.
Metcalf. Well done, Waffle.
Oh.
And now, Mum.
Oh, yes, of
wait.
course.
Wash your hands, Evie.
We're going to miss it.
Thank you, Mr. Metcalf.
Mum, song, run!
Waffle's right. Get back into the hall, quick.
Hey, Peppa,
Come on.
Let's go. Come on.
Run!
Now it's time for our final performance. A song by our reception class. They're called Poodles, and they have a very furry and special classmate.
Come along, everyone.
You saw him earlier. It's Waffle the dog.
All right. Nice big voices, poodles, yeah? Especially you, Waffle. Well done.
Where's Waffle?
Waffle?
I don't think he's here.
Neither is Evie.
No. Where are they?
Don't stop without her. Here we are.
Up you come, Evie.
Yeah. Good.
Come on, Evie. Good girl. Now, Waffle. Come on, Evie. Good girl. Waffle. Thank you, Mr. Metcalf. Sorry.
We're gonna sing. Play to our thing. When we got from the age of the day. That'll be great. Hey! Having school fun. Play the football. Get ready for your line, Waffle.
Ready? Can't wait to meet.
Yeah, well done, Waffle. You did it.
Oh, thank you. Thanks. Go on. It's time for your job now. Go get the balloons, Waffle. Go on.
Dancing shoes. Take me to
Come on, friends. Oh, no. Hold on. Mr. Brooklyn Bell? Mr. Brooklyn Bell is not supposed to be up there. Try and keep going, everyone.
It's your dog.
Is he safe up there?
Don't worry, everybody. This is just part of Waffle's end of show balloon surprise. I didn't quite expect it to go like that, but that's Waffle for you. Right, on with the dancing!
Hey, he looks like he's having fun up there.
Hello, family. Hi. How are you doing, Waffle?
He looks very happy up there.
He's the star of the show.
Our Waffle.
Our Wonderdog. Can't wait to meet them. Oh, thanks.
And then we went home, and Doug went off to Zoe's. My first school term was over.
What is it, Waffle? Who's that?
Who is that on your doorstep, Mrs. Hobbs?
Magenta,
I don't believe it.
I'm home.
Oh, it's my Michael. Mr. Hobbs. Mr. Hobbs. You've come back.
Hello, Mr. Hobbs.
Hi there. Hi, Jess. I just flew in and headed straight here. I hope you don't mind. Hello. You must be Evie. I'm Nate. I'm your dad.
Do you like dogs?
I love dogs.
That's great, because we've got a Wonderdog, Waffle the Wonderdog.
Thank you, Waffle.
Yeah, Waffle. No. Sorry.
Why don't you come in? This is Simon.
Hi, nice to meet you. Go
So
in.
that was how I met my birth dad. And our family grew a little bit bigger and even funnier. Oh, but those stories are for another time.